everyone, and welcome to my 2021 Project Pan update number 6. If you haven't seen my intro and previous updates, I will leave the playlist in the description box down below. And let's get started. So the first item I have is the Guerlain L'Essentiel Natural Glow Foundation. In my last update it weighed 149 grams and today it weighed 148 grams. And when the product did settle the last time, I could see that I had just under half left. However, I've decided to just declutter this item, not because it's gone bad. I still think the product is good inside. At least in my opinion, it's not breaking me out or anything. It's just that the pump is broken and I can't open the lid, so I guess whatever is in here is just going to be stuck inside the packaging. At the end of this update, I will be rolling in a new item in place. This. But for now, I'll just have to say bye to this product. And the second item is also a foundation. This has been in this project since the very beginning. And it is the Bobbi Brown Intensive Skin Serum Foundation. And I'm happy to announce that I have finished this product. So one more item out of this project. Yay! Once nothing came out of the pump, luckily I was able to unscrew this top. So I was able to scrape out as much as I could until it just got really difficult to use, so I will call it done. The next item I have is the KVD Lock-It Loose Powder, and this is just a mini size, a trial size, and it is only 1.4 grams in total, so I didn't bother to weigh it. However, from just looking at this, I could definitely see some progress since last time when I rolled it in. So when I rolled it in, it was pretty much brand new, although I had already had it for a few years, and I might have only used it once before rolling it into this project. And now looking at it, I could tell that the container is about half full. So if I keep using this consistently as I have been in this past month, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to use this up in about 2 months or so. Next up, I have the Becca blush in the shade Wild Honey. And for this, I only have a usage goal of 50 times. However, things have been going really slowly with this product, and I only used it one more time since my last update. So in my last update, I had used it 9 times in total, and for today, I've only used it 10 times in total. Now that I'm wondering if I could actually hit the goal of using it 50 times by the end of this year. But I will keep on trying. I won't give up on this. I'm not gonna roll it out just yet. I guess if I don't end up using it even once before my next update, I might consider switching this out for something else, but as of now, I'm still looking forward to using it more. Next up, the Kate eyeshadow palette, and my goal for this is to hit pan on this shade over here, which I use as a nose contour. And so far, I still haven't hit my goal, but I could definitely see the pan going flatter and flatter every day, or every time I use it, which is definitely not every day. And as now, of course, I won't be able to tell for sure, but I definitely see a really big chance of hitting pan on this by the end of this year. And next up, my NARS Mini Orgasm eyeshadow palette, and my goal for this one is to hit pan on this middle shade right here. And again, progress has been pretty slow on this, but I have to say I have been getting back to using it more consistently in this past month. And at this point, I feel like even if I keep on using this consistently, I really don't think I have a big chance of hitting pan on this by the end of this year. I will keep on trying. I will keep on using this eyeshadow palette. And I could proudly say that even if I don't end up hitting my goal on this product, it's not because that I haven't been using it consistently. It's really just that NARS is too good at packing its powder products. And also, I guess, because I have small eyelid space. And next up, I have the Shiseido Minimalist Whip Powder Blush in the shade 03 Momoko. And this also has been in my project since the very beginning of this year. And my goal is to finish this product. And although it's hard to tell from its texture, when I weighed it today, it weighed 84 grams. And in my last few updates, it weighed 85 grams. At the beginning of this year, it weighed 87 grams. So since the beginning of my project, I have already used up 3 grams of product, which is very impressive. And on the packaging, it says there's only 5 grams of product. So I am past the halfway mark. 2 more grams to go. And for this product, I can't really say how confident I am on hitting my goal, but I'd say I'm pretty confident on at least getting down 1 more gram by the end of this year, if not finishing the entire product. Next up, I have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, which I rolled in 2 updates ago. And I have to say, I've really been using this consistently in this past month. And I can't really tell how far I am through this product because it's too light that it's not worth weighing, but at the same time, I can't really tell from the packaging. But it seems like there's still a lot in there, so I'll keep working on it. Next up, I have the Guerlain L'Or primer. And my goal for this was to finish it. Right now, as you can see, I still have the tiniest amount on the bottom of the bottle. However, that's as much as I could get out of the pump. And same as the Guerlain foundation, I can't seem to unscrew this or anything. So unless I find any tools to open it and use up the rest of the product, I'll just have to call it done. And all in all, I really enjoyed using this primer. It wasn't hard at all for me to hit pan, and I would definitely recommend if you're interested in this. The next item I have is the NARS Overlust Cheek Palette, and for this I only have a usage goal of 25 uses, and so far I've used it 7 times. Still a long way to go, but it's only been in this project for 1 month, so I don't think it's gonna be a problem for me to use it 25 times before the end of this year. Alright, so that was all the items that are currently in this project pan. I'll do a quick recap of what's leaving this time around before I introduce the new items. So first, I'm decluttering this Guerlain Natural Glow foundation because the pump stopped working and I can't get anything out. I have completely used up the Bobbi Brown foundation as well as the Guerlain L'Or primer. So the first item I'm rolling in is another foundation. I've got a lot of foundations that I need to go through, to be honest. And this is from the brand Red Earth, and it is their Herbal Essence foundation. And luckily, through this packaging, you can actually see how much I've used up. I'd say I've used up quite a bit of product already, so my goal is to use it all up. I really hope it doesn't go bad before I'm able to finish it. And if I don't end up finishing this by the end of this year, I'll probably just carry it over to my 2022 project pan. And the second item I'm rolling in is also a foundation. It is the Cushion Foundation from the Palace Museum. And this, I would say I'm almost there. I'm pretty sure I'm halfway through this one already. Although you really can't tell, I guess. Tried weighing this just in case, and it weighs 104 grams today. And on the packaging it says there's a total of 15 grams of product. Oh, I forgot to mention that the Red Earth Foundation weighs 126 grams today. And the final item I am rolling in is an eyeshadow stick from Laura Mercier. It is in the shade Amethyst. It's the Caviar Stick eye color, and it's pretty much brand new. I've only used it a handful of times, and my goal is to finish this up completely. And I really hope I could achieve that goal before the end of this year. I really have to start using my cream eyeshadows before they go bad. Alright, so that's it for this update. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. And if you'd like to see more updates and more content from me, don't forget to subscribe. I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.